Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to obtain your Polygon wallet address from your Trust Wallet application, of course. So first of all, we're going to be opening up our Trust Wallet application. Mine is on my home screen, so we'll make use of that. You simply click on Trust Wallet, you open it up, you input your passcode like so. Once that's done, you scroll down, and if you can't find the Polygon, you head over to the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen. You click on it and you search for Polygon. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how to activate your Polygon. You simply click on this toggle to the right and you simply click on receive. And your Polygon wallet address is going to be displayed. Make use of it in whatever manner you might want to. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to obtain your Polygon wallet address, and you'll be given an answer.